Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with day number 4 of the 24 Days of Christmas Secret Santa Swap hosted by ScrappyTate. And my dearest Secret Santa, look at how lovely this is. She sewed all the way around the packaging. I just love the way the sew stitching. I love it. She's added a die cut here. She's put the number 4 here for what day it represents. Okay, let's get into it. And I'm going to cut it with decorative scissors so that I can reuse it. Reuse this packaging. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. Please like and subscribe the video and consider sharing it. So day number 4. Ooh, look at this. Oh, they're gift card holders. Cocoa or mug, hot mug, gift card holders. Oh, thank you. Thank you, girl. Thank you, Secret Santa. So that's day number 4. Day number 4. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow with day number 5. Until my next video, here's more videos here. Shakas.